The next job I'm tackling is the steering lock. There's a bit of an issue with the car binding very early. I think the wheel is actually falling over once it passes halfway. Like that. And I've let the dogs in to play as well. I'll just show you how it looks inside the car. Here is the run from Darwin, and we're just approaching the hairpin. And watch as I come into the hairpin, the steering wheel does one full turn, and then I need both hands to try and wrestle it back straight again. And again, after this straight, the right hand turn. Flat out, full throttle, one turn, and then I'm wrestling the steering wheel to get it straight. And this is pretty distracting when you're going flat out and there's a car right on your door. So that's the main thing that I'm trying to fix right here. I'll do the same to both sides, so I'll only show you one side. The parts that I'm going to adjust on this setup are going to be the KPI, the kingpin inclination. I think that's what it's called anyway. That changes how much camber the wheel has from the shock mount compared to where the camber is adjusted there, and also where it's adjusted at the top. Extend that a bit to make sure I've got a bit less caster. And I might even mess with the Ackerman setting. This is a Costal steering setup which has 3 levels of Ackerman. I've got it on the least aggressive, and that's aggressive still, and then that's the most aggressive. I might just chuck it on the middle one. So I've just raised the ride height about 1 centimeter, 10 mil, just to get some better clearance on the guards, but also just to get a better angle on the bottom arms. I think I had them a bit too much on angle. Both sides are the same now, and the wheels are back on. At first glance, it looks like I've got a fair bit of camber and a bit of toe out compared to this side. Right, a fair bit of toe out. Not abnormal for a drift car though. So going back into the ECU again like yesterday to test the power steering. Stiff there. Go left. It's not bad. Feels like it's still getting a bit stuck halfway. Might have to give the boss, Stewie Bryant, a call to see what he thinks about the settings. Let's try and make it better.
Exactly right. Okay, this looks like